Welcome to Iron Mountain's underground lake, located 220 feet below the surface of Boyers, Pennsylvania. The 100-acre lake is part of our 233-acre underground campus. Located in a former mine, the campus houses Iron Mountain's WPA data center and other Iron Mountain services. Our underground lake is up to 12 feet deep and took nearly a decade to fill naturally after mining stopped in 1953. With the lack of sunlight and high pH levels, the water is crystal clear due to its inability to support life. Today, the underground lake is used to cool our facility and is the source for sprinkler systems throughout the facility. The geocooling system consists of 3 redundant pumps which pull the 53-degree water into stainless steel heat exchangers that support a data center chilled water cooling loop. Air-cooled chillers are also utilized for redundancy and free cooling in the cooler months. Using high-efficiency chilled water generated by geocooling reduces our environmental impact. At Iron Mountain, we're committed to energy efficiency and sustainability. The underground lake is an example of our commitment in action.